Hello guys, welcome to the channel. I assume you might already have activated your StepN app and wanted to know how you could fund your wallet. In this video, let me show you how you could fund in-app Solana Wallet from Binance Exchange and then purchase sneakers. Let's go! First, you have to go to your Binance account and top up your Solana the same way on how you fund your coins in other exchanges. I already top up slightly over 13 souls as currently, floor price sneakers are about 13 souls. Second, open your StepN mobile and navigate to your wallet. Select Solana, receive button, and copy your wallet address. Third, going back to Binance account, select withdraw, and then Solana. Copy the wallet address, and then the network should automatically be selected. Network congested warning could be shown, but you should still be able to send your coins. Click withdraw, and then provide the security pins afterwards to complete the transaction. Wait for some time, and your Solana coin should be reflected in your StepN wallet. Fourth step, once your coins are on your wallet, you need to transfer them to the spending. Give few minutes until reflected. Once you have your souls in the spendings, then you can purchase the sneakers from the marketplace. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.